Do not move him. Yo, what is going on, my Southside Moto family? Hopefully all you guys are doing great. I see that everybody went in here. Look at that, my boy. This man right here, had a little chat with him from PA, doing his thing. We got a nice little ride out going on, so we are doing big things and we are super excited. Tonight is gonna be pretty epic. I already heard some crazy stories about these guys riding last night. I had missed it because I messed up my leg a little bit, but we're going to Ace Cafe, baby. We're gonna do it. These guys are ready. We've been here since like 7 o'clock waiting for everyone to get here. I got my girl Luna up in here looking good, baby, looking good. The turnout tonight is even bigger than it was last time, which is freaking phenomenal. It's amazing.
Start getting paid for this shit.
Oh, well, that's what I'm hoping for. So we're gonna go ahead and hit it. You ready?
Yeah.
Yeah? Say what's up to the camera.
What's up?
What you want to say?
I don't know. We going fast or what?
All right, we are ready to roll out. Let's go, baby. Woo! Yeah, baby. We get this. I can't wait to change out this exhaust. So tired of this thing being so quiet. My baby's so restricted, it's not even funny. And we got Dylan on the bike spitting fires on that thing. Yeah, it's unfortunate you can't hear my bike, but yeah, this I have a feeling it's gonna be a crazy night because people are already wilding out. But yo, look at the turnout. Let me just give you a little glimpse of the turnout. Look at all these bikes. Everybody's ahead of me. Only I think Mama Harley's behind me. Mama Harley's the only one behind me, but look at all this turnout came out amazing. Let's go! Woo! This is exciting. Oh, I can't wait to edit this footage. Look at that, bikes and bikes and bikes all the way through and through. So tonight we're headed out to Ace Cafe. We're just having a little bit of a group ride. I'm staying behind because I want to make sure that Mama Harley is good. She is not new to the bike industry, but she is new to that bike particularly, so I understand where she's coming from when you're trying to get used to a new bike, especially with different ergos, because she came from a Harley Davidson. Is this? Yeah, this is the group. Oh man, yeah, we are deep. We are rolling super deep. This is wild. So many people here. We got from guy riders, female riders, 600s, 750s, 1000s, Hayabusas, H2s. I think we only have like 2 S1K, that's including mine. Oh man. What happened here? H2, baby. That's it right there. 400? Let's go. We got them all. We got them all in this group ride. God damn. Don't move him, don't move him. Oh my gosh. Oh man.
Yeah. What the fuck? What the fuck? Yeah, where's the
A whole tire came off. Look at this. Wow. Jesus. Bro. Oh man. The CBR got it. It was at 600. Yep. Oh, man, what the? Jeez. Look at the whole axle broke off.
yes, there is a roadblock. Roadblock heading. I think this is going. We're going east. This one over here.
Don't move. Don't move. Don't move him until the ambulance gets here.
Yeah. Let's try not to move yet. We don't know what we're doing. Let's not move yet. We don't know what your back is doing. Let's try not.
Yeah, stay down. Stay down. Stay down. Stay down. Stay down. Please, stay down.
Stay still. Yeah.
Don't move.
Don't move. We don't know what his back is doing. We don't know.
Shit. Everybody, did you see what happened?
Yeah, I was right behind him.
What happened?
This guy lost control and smacked into him.
Oh man.
Bro, he went under that shit. I thought he was pinned under there.
Jeez.
And him and the bike went under that shit.
Under the.
The shit from hitting, from landing.
Wow. Yeah, he broke a whole axle and hit the bike and everything. Jeez. This is crazy.
Got in front of me. You lost control. Because you got in front of me when I was wrong. You get the gas, you lost control. No, they didn't get in front of me. They got in front of me as I'm trying to get off the light. You said that they got in front of me, that's when you lost control. But you hit the gas.
That's insane, my man. Wow. Well, this guy's down. I'm hoping that he's okay. I'm asking these guys not to move him. He's trying to get up. He's good. If he's moving, he's good. That's crazy, man. That is nuts. I cannot believe this just happened. It's ridiculous. This is the guy with the car. The three-wheeler.
Now, you're right, all right? So if I'm in that lane, whose lane is it? My lane. So why did they cut in front of me? So who in the wrong? See what I'm saying? If you're a motorcycle rider, why would you do that?
Yeah,
that's my lane, right?
It happened over there. It happened over here.
Exactly, but they still cut up in front of me like that.
I didn't see. I was driving them.
So wait a minute. What did he pin it and the back end just started fishtailing?
Because the back end is. I thought so too, but the back end doesn't have the power. It's the front wheels, from what he says. Hey, well, that's going to be investigators do that job, but I mean, you can kind of tell that there's no power going to the back because there's no drivetrain. It's just a rear brake.
Yeah, the whole axle was broken.
Yeah, so the front is probably really where the power comes from. So he didn't fishtail. He said they cut in front, but I don't know how he lost control. Like, how did it happen? You just like this, or what happened?
No, because I went like this to the left because they were coming right here.
So you fishtail? Is that what happened? It fished it?
So I went like this and they were coming right there, and that's when the wheel hit this thing, and that's when I went like that.
Oh, he slammed in behind you. Oh man.
On the curb.
Damn, bro. Damn. Man, this is well, there goes an interesting night. Well, I'm glad my man's still okay for the most part. Okay, I guess we need to move. Man, oh man, that's insane. Hopefully the rest of the night goes well, because this is insane. I can't even talk right now. It's got my nerves at a rattle. I hate seeing bikers go down like that. That is so. Apparently, the whole story behind that was that all of us were swerving around, which we were. I mean, I'm not gonna sit here and lie, but he apparently tried to swerve around the guy. The guy swerved left and then ended up hitting his rear axle and tire, and the whole vehicle went into the tree. Apparently, one person said that the motorcycle rider was underneath the vehicle at one point. I just told him not to move. Oh my gosh, my brain is all over the place right now. I do not like seeing situations like that. I hope that he's breathing. He seems okay. So as long as the ambulance got there and the police officers were, everything else would get resolved. And I hope for a speedy recovery. I don't know who the guy was. I don't know if he was even part of the crew, but it's crazy, insane. These things are fun to ride, but they're also dangerous, man. They have they have their thing, their quirks.
It was the Vanderhall's fault. I saw the whole shade. I was directly behind him.
With the trike?
I was directly behind the Vanderhall. I saw the whole shit happen.
So
We took off at the light. The Vanderhall almost hit the guy on the 1000. Swerves around, slams on the gas, passes me, passes him, and then when he realizes the red light, slams the brakes, goes this way, smacks the guy, and hits the fucking sidewalk.
wow.
Whole shit happened, bro. Este idiota no al lado.
Really?
Each other, we saw the whole shit, bro.
Man.
One of our guys?
No.
Okay. I thought he was one of our guys. I'm like, who is this
I
guy?
thought so first too, but when I saw that it was the guy that he randomly caught up with us and started riding with us, I was like, all right, fuck it, I'm going. Hey.
Wow. Crazy, man.
Y cuando ven esta la luz roja, empieza a frenar duro. It started spinning and then he hit the gas.
So it was the guy on the trike. That was his fault. It was his fault. The guy on the trike. Yeah. So Tesla Moto family, y'all be safe out there. We're gonna go ahead and have a good time and just chill out. My nerves are shot. I was gonna do some motor vlogging. I might do some shots of everything. As you can see, it is a packed night. We're gonna go ahead and have a good time and just kind of chill, have some dinner, enjoy the company, and just kind of chill out. So I will chat with you guys later.